What's up, you guys? My name is Matt. I'm the founder of Auto HDR, and I'm going to show you how you can now upload and edit your shoot in minutes. If you're a real estate photography business owner, this is going to change the game for you. I am myself, and I know it has for me and my team. We now deliver to clients in under an hour at half the cost of overseas editing companies. So, real quick, I have this small shoot. I'm going to drag and drop here into Auto HDR and submit. Now, with our new update, there's 3 model options. You can go with the classic, which I recommend. It has a nice, beautiful look. But everyone has different taste, and so you can also get really, really deep window pulls and extra pop with the Lisa model. And then if you shot at Twilight, you can use the Twilight model as well. But we do virtual Twilights and a whole lot more, which I'm going to show you once this project is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and upload these and then come back in a few minutes when the photos are done. All right, so a few minutes have gone by. Our photos are ready here, so we can check out the exteriors. We have a few different cloud settings that you can choose. I like the wispy look, but that's just me. You can always go with fluffy or dramatic or a mix of fluffy and wispy. It's all in the account style settings page here. You'll see here that we also added in TV screen blackout and fire in the fireplace. This is all automatic, so we'll detect those, we'll add it in, and you don't have to do a thing. So I actually had that turned on for this listing here, and we can check out how it looked. So here you can see the TV is perfectly blacked out. It added in fire in the fireplace pretty much perfectly. And yeah, these would be ready to deliver just right out of the box. Again, this was kind of a white gray sky, and it turned the sky perfectly blue. It even added in clouds with my style settings, and it perfectly masked around the window panes here. It also corrects white balance, perspective correction, any tilt, and a lot of people don't believe this, but at my business, we actually shoot handheld because you can shoot so much faster. It's so much easier, and actually, kind of a pro tip, if there's a small bathroom, you can get way further in the corner in like a wider shot if you're shooting handheld. And we actually trained our model so that it aligns shaky input brackets and you can shoot handheld. We also trained it so you can shoot JPEG and the quality is indistinguishable from RAW, which makes your upload times way quicker. And we're seeing actually a lot of people upload on site through an SD card adapter. So let's see the power of this new gallery and a few of the features we added. So first thing is staging. Not only can you add furniture, but you can remove it. So for this room, I'm going to go ahead and remove the furniture and then swap out living room furniture in let's go with the modern style. Let's see how that looks. And while we're waiting for that, I'll do another angle and I'll say remove the furniture and let's do living room with Scandinavian style. And all of these will process in 60 seconds or less. And now here's the really cool thing. Twilights are now just as fast. And you don't have to do one photo at a time. You could do an entire shoot at once. So these look like a perfect sunny day. If you hit supercharge, you can select from 9 different options for Twilight now. So I'll go with subtle and dream just to demo it, and we will see the result in just a second. Now, we are also offering green grass replacement, which you'll have to try for yourself. And it's super easy to make an account. It's totally free. You just sign in with Google and you can try it out yourself. All right, and they're already done, so let's check them out. Here is the after for the Twilight. And now these would be a great upsell to give to your agents. And instead of waiting 12 to 24 hours for an editor to do it, you can get it probably looking even more realistic with Auto HDR in under a minute and deliver same day as well with your Twilights. So again, let's look at the before and then we'll go and see the after. And you can see that it maintains the structure of the house and just really makes a nice cover photo. All right, our staging is done as well. Let's check it out. So you can see it did add Scandinavian style furniture right in the existing room while maintaining the structure and integrity of the original house. Now, this house was already pretty nice looking, but you can see that the tool will add different styles, and if you're shooting vacant houses, this can be a great upsell to generate more revenue on all your photo shoots. Now, we also added the ability to pay as you go, so you can just go and top up credits anytime, no plan required. So now you can totally automate your workflow We even have automations with platforms like Dropbox and Spiro, where with the click of one button, anything that you upload will be automatically edited and uploaded back into your folders for delivery. If you're looking to fully automate your real estate photography business and get back your time, save 30 to 50% on your editing bill, and get an edge on your competition, we're giving away a free test week to the first 100 photographers that go to autohdr.com/free-week. You can test it risk-free, no sales call, don't have to talk to anyone. You can just go ahead, try it, start comparing it to your editor, and let us know what you think.